There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of God. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of Ashai, 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 Ashai. कुछ प्यारे की वो आशा थी, अल्लाह हो तो करना। Ashai, Ashai, Ashai. कोई कोई के वो आशा नैया हो तो Ashai, Ashai,
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always rather from grade 5. Today I will share thought of the day. It always seems impossible until it's done. I repeat, it always seems impossible until it's done. Thank you and have a nice day. And international news. National news. Leading Indian drone manufacturers enters US market. Second, Atukal Pongala goes international with Malayali devotees from Canada observing the ritual in US and UK. International news. First, G7 leaders pledge support for Ukraine on war anniversary. Second, Trump calls himself a proud political lead. Today I am going to tell about sports news. First, India versus England highlights 4th Test match day 3. Rohit Sharma, Yashasvi Jaiswal provide fiery run chase after Ashwin magic. Second, additional route Newcastle to keep with Premier League leaders. Minimum temperature of day is 12 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature of day is 25 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a good day. Be present here. I am Kriti Kular of grade 5th to be presenting you the DPS news in front of you. Annual award ceremony of grade 6 to 12 was conducted with a grade Z and Quavo. Aradhya Dhiman of grade 4th A has won the title of Junior Artist of the Month February. Annual class presentation of grade 1st to be conducted on Saturday 2nd March. Period 5 of classes 3rd to 5th will be beginning on 1st March 2024. That's all for DPS Text. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Trisha, do hurry up for your school. And you both, come home straight after the school. No playing in the fields.
But Mama, why you play so good cricket? Why don't we send him to the cricket academy? You know it's his dream to play for India.
Isha, I am hardly able to make both ends meet. How will I afford the fees along with bringing you up? Do not talk to me about this. It's a waste of time and energy. Why were you hiding?
No, sir. Please don't let us. No, sir. Please don't carry me. But we can't afford the fees.
No.
Please let us stay here and watch you.
No. I can't either allow him nor train him. How he will understand what I will say?
Don't worry, sir. I'll make him understand whatever you say.
Okay, I'll train him. But only the condition that he has to take the wicket down only on one ball.
Bhaiya, you have to take down wicket in one ball.
He can't even hear or speak.
I don't know why people dream so big without even considering their situation.
The maximum he can do is play with buffaloes in his swamp. Wow, that was brilliant. I'm ready to train you. You don't have to take wicket down, but I am impressed with your hard work. You don't have to pay penny for it. I will take care of your expenses. But you have to promise that you make us proud.
Yeah, he just said that he will pay for all expenses. You just have to make us very proud.
खाने का मौका जब किस्मत देती है कि कन्हैयारी के तुझको मोहलत देती है मांगती है लागत में तुझसे हर बूंद पसीना पर मुनाफा बदले में ये जानने पे हक देती है बंदे की मेहनत को किस्मत का सागर परिणाम है प्यारे
We have good news. And our boy Rohan is selected in Indian team.
Bhaiya, you have just been selected in Indian team. Seema, didn't I tell you? He has big dreams and he'll achieve it. He has been selected in Indian cricket team.
I'm sorry, Beta. I have always trusted you, but what could I have done? I had reasons, but now nothing will ever come in your way. You have changed that destiny. It is truly said, never give up.
What is the full form of NASA? What? Can you bring that? The correct answer is National Aeronautics and Space Agency.
The second question is, the rings of Saturn are made of what material? Can you guess the answer? Yes, the correct answer is ice and dust.
The third question.
Indeed a very, very interactive assembly, right? And I could see that grade 4 and 5 students, you all were, listening very carefully and you all were responding also very well. So 3 cheers for grade 4 and 5. Hip hip. Okay?